everyone, what's going on? It's me, John D. Villarreal, the Super Genius, and check this out. This is the GoPro Hero 8 bundle. Just got this at Costco. I had been thinking about this for a little bit, and it just happened to be there. It was a great price on sale. I decided to just snag this, and I have to say that GoPro nor Costco are paying me to do this. This is all my personal opinions. These are my honest views, and check out the rest of the disclaimers in the description below. So I bought this with my own money. It's very cool. Haven't tried it yet. This is an unboxing, so let's see exactly what's in this. I don't know exactly how to open this up. You can see here the packaging, and there's no super clear place that you would open it up. Everything looks good. It says it includes the camera, a memory card, a bigger memory card holder, that's the adapter, the sort of selfie stick, sort of handheld selfie stick, but also looks like it has a float. Maybe it's a floaty, I'm not exactly sure. I may get that wrong. It looks like it's 2 batteries and an attachment, the cable that's going to be able to output the information, and then some adjusters and a case. Very cool. I mean, all for the price of less than just the camera alone. To have that bundle, it's pretty awesome. So I'm excited about this. Again, on sale here, Father's Day, decided I might as well try it. I'm gonna try to open it this way. I think that's the right way. I'm not totally sure. We're gonna give it a go. Seems to be right. We'll find out. So definitely some glue there, but it seems to be peeling. Almost got that clean a little bit. Yeah, all right, that is the way. So it glues it up very heavy here. You have to kind of pull that back. So that's good, it's packed. Then you take this off here. Everything's supposed to be in this travel case, which is cool. The good news about this is that you can tell that it ships very tight and compact. So it's all right here. Some kind of little zip guy here. This is your GoPro travel bag, which is awesome. Which is great, because I already have some camera bags, but you can fit almost everything right here and you're good to go very rapidly. So that's awesome. Let's open this up. Seems high quality. Whoa, okay. So here's what we're looking at. This is obviously our camera. That's our USB cord. We have a couple other things in here. We're gonna go through it. I see a memory card here. All right, so here we can see the cameras right here. Now I've got the GoPro Hero 5 black and the 4 black, and I can tell right now this camera is definitely smaller than those. So that's very interesting. I'm excited to try this, and the specs obviously are much stronger. So we're gonna check that out. What I do like as well is everything's very well placed in here. You have a section for everything. I'd probably just keep the case exactly like this, because you've got a space for everything. Up here in the top, you've got your memory. Then you also have some instructions in your manual. So that's very cool. But you can see at the top here, you could have space for more memory, some cords, just different things you can put up here. You should definitely have some space for that. That's very cool. This is a Velcro strap. So that's pretty awesome. Looking forward to checking this out. This is your normal GoPro attachment. It's always great to have more of those. It clicks in, that's excellent. And now we have right here, this is one of you've got the sticky And here that can fit in right there. It's been a minute since I've been playing with my GoPros, but this is an attachment right here. 2 batteries. That's awesome. That's definitely awesome. So you can have some extra power on the go. Never a bad thing. Got an attachment here, and then you have your USB cable. Finally, here, I'm gonna imagine this is the selfie stick. Let me see if I can extricate this carefully. It's kind of cleverly built in here. I'm gonna just sort of slide the extra case out from around there. I'm quite sure there's got to be an easier way to do this, but I don't want to mess anything up because I like the setup that it has in. Just take this out for a second. So within here, you can see nice selfie stick with the foam grip. I'm pretty sure this is a floaty or some variety of that. I'd be pretty relatively confident of that. You also have this strap here, so you can have it on your wrist. That's awesome, and you can, right? And now you can have that different. Yeah, this is pretty cool, right? This is adjustable right here with the button, so that's very nice right around your wrist. You've got a sort of stretch feature here. It feels very high quality, and that's awesome. Then here you just obviously. I'm not doing this quite right. Slide that right in there. Like I said, it's been a minute since I've been playing with my GoPros. Oh yes, of course. That's right. You flip this up, and you lock it in. You flip that down, basically, and you're going to be good to go. That's definitely the gist of it. Awesome. And this is very, very cool. Feels very sturdy. I got to sort of set that up right. Like I said, it's been a little bit since I've been playing with my GoPros. There we go. I gotta get a little extra clearance there. Boom. And there we go. Very nice, very clean. And you can definitely take that out, going the other way. So that's awesome. What you'll do is you'll attach that to the camera. That's your base mount, and you're good to go. Very, very cool. So that's it. That's your kit. Here, before I forget, I also want to show you the actual camera. I'm not going to get too into this because I want to really, set it up right and have some other footage. But you can see here how it looks. And at the bottom here, you notice these little feet that you can sort of pull out. So you can see that everything's encased here, and it seems very, very nice. Digital touchscreen in the back. It's pretty straightforward. What's great is that moving from a 4 black or even a 5 black, it's all self-encased now. You don't have to worry about all of having the cases and accessories. Now, granted, from my understanding, not as waterproof to, really deep, but I believe it's good up to, I think you're good up to I want to say 10 meters. Yeah, I think that's correct. Plenty deep enough for most people, in my opinion, for most uses. You certainly can get other accessories from GoPro, I believe, that can get you farther than that. But just to have this kind of power, 4K, 60p, I think it's 100 megabits a second. I gotta double check everything. So this is my personal recollection, my personal opinion right now. I'm not asserting any facts. Please check all the disclaimers. But if I remember correctly, I think those are the general specs. And it seems very cool. And you'll just slide things to open them up. I want to take my time really, because this is a little bit, I know I have to open this up here. I don't want to get too crazy yet without having really studied this and kind of learning the nuances of this new camera, having just got it. But it looks great. Really excited about it. This was the unboxing video. I'll dive deeper into this and start using some of this, and we'll get some footage up there on YouTube soon, but I just want to show you that before we end the video. I'll probably, like I said, I'll probably hang on to this, and I'll have to kind of look at to see exactly what this does. But it's pretty cool. Actually, if I turn to the back, we'll probably roll through exactly what I've got here. So it doesn't name it, but it's awesome. And 4K 60p, you gotta love that. Authorized GoPro accessories, the bundle, tremendous price point. It's very, very cool, and I think it's something I'm gonna enjoy a lot. So I'm gonna try this out. My next video, or maybe not my very next video, but soon I'm going to have some footage testing this, trying it out, getting out there in the field. We're very excited to use this. So let me know what you think. You tell me. Rate this video up. Please post on your social networking sites. I'm John D. Villarreal. I will see you next time. That was the GoPro Hero 8 bundle that I got from Costco, the unboxing. I will see you next time.